Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tailgate speaker that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ion Audio Express Tailgate Speaker. The Ion Tailgater Express is an updated version of the Audio Tailgater speaker. This Ion portable speaker has been designed with features similar to its predecessor, with significant upgrades made to make it more efficient and effective as a tailgate speaker. The Tailgater Express features up to 20 watts of dynamic power to make any party the talk of the town for days on end. Its design features a wide dispersion tweeter and a robust 4-inch woofer which work together effortlessly to provide high-quality sound whenever it is needed. The Tailgater Express can be used close to water with ease, thanks to its IPX4 water resistance. This means you can have all your pool and beach parties without any worries. The battery of the Express speaker is built-in and rechargeable. Once it's fully charged, it can offer up to 30 hours of continuous use to owners, with no distortion occurring at any volume. Other features of this product include its bright display, AM, FM radio and a microphone input made available for when it's time to enjoy a good karaoke night session. Enjoy your favorite music with ease at any special occasion with the Ion Audio Tailgater Express. This is a speaker that comes in small packages but offers users with big fun. Moving on at number 4, we have the Monster Rockin Roller 270 Tailgate Speaker. If you're looking for serious power, the Monster Rockin Roller 270 is a tailgate speaker you should consider. It has a whopping 200 watts of power, which means it can overpower pretty much anything else around. You'll have your own personal club, until someone shuts it down. Plus, if you feel like you need even more power, you can connect up to 2 TWS speakers from Monster's product line. Thanks to the wide dispersion speakers, you get 270 sound. That means you and your friends don't just have to stand right in front of the speaker to hear the music. It has a long-lasting battery that gives you 100 hours of playtime at full power. Plus, it even has a built-in Qi charger, so you can wirelessly charge your devices. At number 3, we have the Ion Audio IPA77 Tailgate Speaker. The Ion Audio Tailgater, also known as the IPA77 speaker, is our best tailgate speaker today. This is a tailgate speaker that is dynamic in design and function, with a performance that surpasses many of its competition. It has been designed as a powerful speaker system with Bluetooth connectivity, bright display, and a battery that operates for up to 50 hours. The Audio Tailgater speaker doesn't produce any distorted sound, no matter its volume. It is advised, however, that in using this speaker, it must be located at a line of sight within your room such that its Bluetooth range isn't affected by your walls, movement or any other obstructions. The Ion Audio Tailgater features a USB power bank and a rechargeable battery. It doesn't come with wheels, but it is still portable thanks to its size and weight. The compact nature of this speaker makes it easy to store when it isn't needed. This speaker from Ion comes with exciting light effects that can make your party even livelier. It is a product worth your bucks. Ion is a brand recognized globally as a leading manufacturer in the production of tailgate speakers. At number 2, we have the EcoBoulder GDI-EXBLD810. The EcoBoulder tailgate speaker is a rugged and mobile speaker with a 100-watt capacity and the ability to act as a PA system. It is built as a water-resistant entity and as such can be used near water without any issues. This speaker is both dust-proof and waterproof, and once dropped in any water body, it can float, preventing any form of damage. The EcoBoulder speaker can be used both indoors and outdoors, and it features up to 5 factory preset equalizer settings together with its dynamic power amplifier and built-in 2-band bass equalizer. This tailgate speaker connects to mobile devices via aux and Bluetooth, with an inbuilt battery that runs for up to 10 hours on a single charge at full volume. When the speaker is used at its lowest volume, the battery can last up to 100 hours, offering you an eternity of good music for any event you host. And finally at number 1, we have the Milanix Tailgate Speaker. The Milanix Tailgate Speaker is the final powerful portable speaker recommendation from our team and the most powerful unit you'll ever come across. Built to perfection to perform as a PA speaker and a regular speaker for all your occasions, the Milanix features a portable frame that enhances its portability, a microphone port, and USB charge port, echo controls and a bass adjustment knob for the best audio experience ever. This product is designed by seasoned sound engineers who understand the importance of audio quality. The frame of this tailgate speaker is sleek and compact, but the power it possesses is spectacular. It operates on a rechargeable battery which offers countless hours of play for all your events. This battery is built into the frame of your speaker for easy access. The Milanix Tailgate Speaker features connectivity via Bluetooth, SD, aux, MP3, and USB to allow for connection to various mobile devices. Organize a party anywhere, anytime and enjoy the sound of music for as long as you please. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.